Feeling like your money just disappears? You check your bank account, and a week after payday, it's gone. No major purchases, no fancy vacations, just poof. The truth is, it's probably not disappearing. You're just not seeing where it's going. And that's exactly what the Rocket Money Spending Tracker is for. It's an easy-to-use tool that can transform the way you see and manage your money. So, how do you use it effectively? First, the most crucial step, connect all your accounts. Rocket Money is only as smart as the data you give it. This includes your checking, savings, and all of your credit cards. Don't worry, it's completely secure. Once connected, Rocket Money will automatically pull in all your transactions and categorize them for you. Now, this is where you take control. Rocket Money's automated categories are a great starting point, but they're not always perfect. Don't just accept them, go through your transactions. If a purchase at a corner store is labeled groceries but you actually bought a magazine and a drink, change it. Customizing these categories and ensuring accuracy gives you a real, honest look at your spending habits. Next, use the budgeting feature. Based on your spending history, Rocket Money will suggest budgets for different categories. Don't think of these as strict, unchangeable rules. Think of them as a baseline. You can easily adjust them based on your goals. Want to cut back on dining out? Lower that budget. Trying to save more for a trip? Increase your savings goal. The app gives you real-time feedback, showing you how close you are to your budget limits throughout the month. Finally, and this is a game changer, use the notification system. Set up alerts for things that matter to you. Get a heads up when a recurring bill is about to be charged. Or a notification when you're nearing your spending limit in a particular category. These little nudges throughout the month keep you aware and prevent you from overspending before it happens. By following these simple steps, you're not just passively tracking your money, you're actively engaging with it. You're turning a "where did my money go" problem into a clear understanding of your financial life. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.